Hello Jason, this is Aaron from Boss Motors. I'm making this video especially for you. This is a 2003 Suzuki DL1000. The current asking price is $5,588 plus HST licensing. Here's your VIN for your insurance purposes. It currently has 17,718 kilometers on it. It is a 996cc liquid cooled 2-cylinder touring Suzuki. As you can see, it comes with saddlebags. Very spacious and very lightweight, easy to maneuver. As you can see, the bike is in great condition. Comes with handguards and windshield in the front. Pretty much everything is stock on it. It comes fully certified and is very clean. If you'd like to take a closer look at this Suzuki, you can always come into Boss Motors. If you have any further questions, you can contact me at 905-660-2901. My extension is 213. I hope you have a great day and thank you for your time.